Timer start ha. Dalawa pa kulang. Yung tinago kanina man. O sige, sino yung dalawang pwede? Pasok. Dali. Para maka-start ha. O, game. Pasok. Tapos, lahat ng hindi naglalaro, mag-lista dito. Timer start. Yung nasa red card kanina, balisa rin ngayon. Lahat ngayon mag-lista. Yung nakawala sa court, mag-lista kayo. Thank you. Game naman ha? Okay? Sige. Kumpleta na? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, game. The rest na hindi naglalaro, magpalista dito. Thank you. Lista. Lahat na hindi pa naglista, maglista dito. Na hindi kasama sa game 1, maglista dito. Thank you. Alright. Game 1. Wala ka no good. Lista dito nga.
Sino ka kita?
Di ba rin gusto nila ng buo? Para...
Tapos yung mga grupo, lagay nyo sa tabi yung group dito, yung team leader, para mapagsama-sama.
Score all 0 pa rin ha. No good. 6 minutes remaining. All 0 pa ha. O may score na. Wala pa. Okay, go. Easy. 15 minutes and 40 seconds. Lahat ng tinaglista na hindi kasama sa game 1, magpalista dito. Thank you. Go good. Rebound. Go good po rin. Mukhang makapagod kayo sa trabaho ah. Basket, 2 points scored. 0-2 in favor of Dorside. Yun, umangol. Basket, all 2. All two, score. No good. Two points, score 2-4. No good. Three points. Score 2-7. So good.
Halika na rin may tracking.
Tapos hindi pa sure yun. Hindi mabagal.
No good. 3 minutes and 30 seconds in court at 9 minutes. Score 2-7 in favor of Dorside. No good. No good. Basket 2 points. 12 minutes and 40 seconds. Score 4-7. No good. Lahat ng di pa naglista sa notebook na hindi kasama sa game 1, maglista. Thank you. Easy. Basket 3 points. 4-10. Score. In favor of Dorside. Tama? What? Okay. 4-10 10 ang Dorside. Pare. Last 12 minutes. Team scored sa 9 minutes. Three points. 4-13. Basket 2 points. 11 minutes and 40 seconds. Easy. Out of bounds. No good. Rebound. No good. Basket 2 points. 6:15. Last 2 minutes before change court man. Basket 2 points. 8:15 in favor pa rin ni Dorside. 10 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. Basket 2 points. 8:17 in favor of Dorside. Rivera nakuha ni Rivera. Sobra. No good. Zaide. No good. No 3. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Lahat nung di ba naglista sa The Notebook, maglista. Thank you. Score 8:17 in favor of Dorside. 9 minutes and 54 seconds before change court. No good. Out of bounds. Foul. 35 seconds before change court. Lahat ng di ba naglista, maglista dito. No good. Out of bounds. 25 seconds before change court. No good. Three points. 11:17 in favor of Dorside pa rin. 18 minutes before change court. 3 points. 11:20 in favor of Dorside. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change score. Change score. Lahat na hindi pa naglista sa notebook, naglista. Na hindi kasama sa game 1. Thank you. Oh, change score. Running time to man, running time. For 3. No good.
Sige, stretching naman ah.
Yung next game, stretching naman ha. Stretching. Please, warm-up stretching. Importante yan. Ista pare. 2 points. $22-11 score.
Tama ba? 22.
3 points. Hello, ayan. 3 points. Ito, 22-14 pala, sorry. Okay.
Okay na, nice na. Okay na po. Okay.
For 3, no good. 7 minutes and 45 seconds, 22-14 in favor of the wall, backside. Ongera. No good. Rebound. Basket 2 points, 22-16 in favor of backside. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Yun lang, out of bounds, easy.
Sige lang parang. Sige lang.
Wala ka, no?
Sige po. Sige po.
Basket 2 points. Easy. Score 22-18, last 6 minutes and 30 seconds, no good. No good. No good. Last 6 minutes, 22-18 in favor of the wall side. Five minutes and 50 seconds. Again, hindi pa nakalista sa notebook, maglista. Thank you. Nakano for 3. No good. Five minutes remaining. Score 22-18.
Wala pare.
Basket. 2 points. 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Sige pare. Basket.
2 points. All 22 na.
4 minutes remaining.
4 minutes remaining. Hello, yeah. Basket, 3 points. 25-22, backside, leading. Yung arrival, lista lang tayo man. 2 points. 25-24. So good. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Basket 2 points. 25-26 leading si Doorside. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Easy. 4-3. Basket 3 points. Leading ang whole side, backside, 28-26, 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Ganda nun. 4-3. Ayaw yun. 28-26, score, backside, leading, 4-3. Isa pa, hindi na pala, lipat na, turnover. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Buhay. Nakatress pa. Awit talaga. Isa pa. Okay lang yan. No good. Rebound, Rivera. Last 2 minutes. Okay. 28-26 man. Leading ang wall side. Solid yan. Shot puno. Yun. Rivera. Paso mo. Jake, pasok. Basket 2 points. Napakagaling mo. 30-26, last 1 minute and 35 seconds. 4-3. Yun. Ay, hindi pa. Jake. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 2 points, 32-26 in favor of the whole backside. 4-3. Sayang. Sana. Pagod agad.
1 minute.
Mga pagod din, nag-wish ata kayo kanina. Ayun ang trabaho, mga pagod sa trabaho. Manggera, tra. Uy, mutik na yun man. Oy! Sayang. 55 seconds.
Mga Jake Manguera yun.
32-26. 50 seconds. Saba. Oy! Iluwa. 40 seconds remaining. 32-26. Wide. Eagle. Basket 2 points. 32-28 last 30 seconds.
Sinubulo ng AJ.
20 seconds. 4-3. Basket, 3 points. Napakapangis naman. 35-28. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. That was the game. 35-28 score. Next game, sino yung nasa red card? Sila, no?